Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the Chroma Key feature to remove the green screen video in the CapCut app. So prepare your green screen video and open the CapCut app, tap on your project, select the green screen video that you have. Just click on Add. So to remove the green screen, you are just going to click on the clip and select Cutout. And you can find the chroma key feature here and just click on it, and you can select the color picker, which is select the green color, and you can adjust for the intensity and shadow. Alright, until you get a perfect. So after done, you are just going to click the check mark. So that's it, and you are just going to add the background to this video. So that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.